Okay, let's work on li. We write yi this way independently. Okay, we put L here, le yi li. All right, it's often used for translating the Chinese li. This li in the past is a measure word for silver. It's a kind of a 10% of 1 cent, very little. All right, so li at the beginning, yi, L is here, and then we put another yi at the end. It is used for translating the surname Li, okay, or Wan Li Emperor, this Li, okay, so Wan Li, it is this way, okay, yeah, Wan Li, all right, so Li in the middle, so Li Mu Bi, so Li Mu Bi. Okay, you put M and then you put L, so Li Mu Bi, to invite someone, 邀请, in the end, for example, Ko and Li. Okay, so it's like regulations, law, rules, that kind of a thing. Okay, let's work on law. You write O, you put an L here. Law is used for translating law. Okay, for example, law mu ke, law mu ke, mu mu ke ke, you put an M here. Dot, don't forget the dot. Mu ke, 落水. Okay, so it's near Luoyang in Henan province. Okay, for example, another example, law at the beginning. So let's write law. So this is le o law. Okay, so it's for this law prison. Okay, so this is a law at the beginning, law in the middle, zhou bo long. Okay, zhi o zhou, and bo o bo, and on, and then you put L here, zhou bo long. Okay, so it's huan. It's like the trouble. Okay. So law in the middle, and then law in the end, angolo. Okay, on, go, and law. Okay, in advance, 提前预先. Okay, so this is on, and then this is 1 tooth, second one, plus this is ge, and then this is o in the middle. So o in the beginning, o in the middle, o in the end. angolo. Okay.